hopefully my mic is plugged in correctly. Get some footage on the R6, the old R6. Let's get this thing out of here. Alrighty, let's go. It's nice out today. It's 80 degrees right now, a little windy, but 80 nonetheless. Haven't been out on the bike in a few days. It's been rainy. Probably been about, I don't know, 3 or 4 days since I've taken the bike out, so feels good to be out in the open air, I'll tell you that. I'll let the bike warm up a little bit here and not gonna make it. I don't know if this is gonna fix my audio quality or not, but maybe change some settings, change the setup a little bit, so maybe it'll be a little better. Whew. I don't know what that was, how fast that was, but we were chilling. I was chilling. That was fun. Anybody else like been on a 600 for a while and it's just not as fast as it used to be? I like obviously get used to it and whatnot, but like I remember my first time on a 600 thinking like, holy crap, this thing's like faster than Lamborghinis, and nowadays it just ain't the same. Does that mean it's time for a 1000 if you've been on a 600 for this long and it's just not fast anymore? I mean, I guess I've been on 600s, not this one specifically, but 600s in general. I've been on them for, I don't know, 2-3 years now, maybe longer, 4. I think I had my Gixxer 600 for 2. I've had this one for about 6 months, yeah, almost 3 years, I guess. I've never been on a 1000. The only other fast bike I've been on was MT-09. But honestly, like, that's pretty similar to this, I guess. A little torquier, of course, but that was fun. Only good turn on this entire ride is coming up, and I'm behind a truck and I can't get around him. Well, I could, but I don't really want to. Ooh, they put up the fence there because cops used to sit in that neighborhood and be able to watch. They put up the fence, so now you can come out of that turn at full speed. Yeah, that's why I slowed down, is I was afraid, you know, maybe somebody's watching. Yeah, see, that truck hadn't even come out of there yet. Should we pop a wheelie? Woo-hoo-hoo! I'd be scared of them, dude. On my Gixxer, I would clutch up all the time, but that was stock gearing, and this is -1 +2, so I'm just afraid I'm gonna 12 o'clock this thing. I know I probably wouldn't, but if anybody out there's got a 600 with -1 +2, let me know if you can. I mean, I'm sure you can loop it, but what RPM are we revving up to before we dump that clutch, and what speed are we wheeling at? Like, say we're going, I don't know, 10-15 miles an hour. If you're gonna do a clutch up, what RPM are you dumping it at? If you have a 600 -1 +2, preferably an R6, but they're all pretty much the same. I'm pretty sure the R6 is the slowest. So let me know.